Yeah, welcome to the famed Atlantic City Boardwalk, one of the first boardwalks in America back in 1800s. Out here for the practice session for the Atlantic City Airshow. We watched the Thunderbirds earlier, doing some routines or just whizzing by. One came by and buzzed the hotel when I was on the balcony. Scared the crap out of you. A lot of boardwalks in America, but this is probably one of the most famous one around. It's a hot day here today. About 85 and a little bit of humidity. It's getting hotter and hotter, folks.
It is hotter.
Upper 80s, humid.
I'm about to 420 myself. I'm so hot.
It's a 420 shop here, but water's pretty reasonable. $1 a bottle, so we've been chugging. So yeah, if you don't drink the water today, you're gonna hurt yourself. Yeah, getting a little body sweat out today. That is what I call coming in hot, boys, coming in hot. They're coming in from different directions at us.